Vacancy details, so total that there will be 608 total vacancies. You must be registered with MCI or State Council. Age limit should not exceed beyond 35 years. Age relaxation will be there for the categories. So whatever marks you get in the written exam of CMSE or merit list will be prepared. The candidates will be shortlisted by the UPSC result. Talking about the pay scale, which we've already talked about, it's up to 1,77,500. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So all the medical practitioners, all the doctors out here, we at Academically channel bring out new notification, new updates, this vacancy, that vacancy, what you can do as MBBS aspirants, because being a doctor, it has been felt by me also. We all have felt we don't know what's happening around, right? The awareness is quite less, and that's the only motive of this particular channel. And today, again, as we've been discussing earlier about the upcoming job vacancies and opportunities, today we're going to discuss about ESIC IMO Recruitment 2026. So you all know about ESIC, right? It's an insurance, government insurance company or organization, ESIC, Employee State Insurance Corporation. So we're going to talk about the eligibility, the exam pattern, the salary and the selection process. So without wasting time, let's get started for ESIC Insurance IMO jobs. So in this particular video, guys, we're going to discuss about full details of ESIC IMO 2026 notification. What is the eligibility, what are the vacancies, what is the salary and the benefits of it. We're going to talk about selection process via CMSE merit lists as well. This is the entire step-by-step guidance for the online application. What are the important dates which you should remember if you want to apply for this job, and the requirement documents. And in the end, we'll talk about the preparation and success tips as to how you can finish up and crack this exam in one go. So let's get started. Why ESIC IMO is a hidden gem? Well, it is a hidden gem because you won't believe, I am sure, because before this video, I also didn't know about this. Most doctors chase UPSC or state medical exams, right? But if you talk about ESIC IMO, they offer you, again, government job. There's excellent salary, there's good allowances, right? You have a work-life balance. You get pan-India postings whenever you want, wherever you want, and it's a public healthcare service which is under ESIC scheme of Government of India. So it's no less than UPSC. So we are all more concerned about UPSC and state level exams. ESIC is also one of the most important and prestigious organization to work with if you want to work as a government servant, as a medical practitioner. Guys, what is ESIC IMO recruitment? So the position which they're offering is Insurance Medical Officer Grade 2. Organization, as I told you, Employee State Insurance Corporation. The recruitment base is CMSE. What is CMSE? Combined Medical Services Exam Merit List. Your posting will be done in ESIC hospitals. And you know, in ESIC hospital, there's not a lot of rush. So your patients will also be less. So posting is ESIC hospitals and dispensaries across India. What is the purpose? The purpose is providing medical care to insured persons under ESIC scheme. So the only purpose for this is provide medical care to insured persons under ESIC scheme. So those people, those patients, those professionals or those individuals who are covered under the ESIC scheme, you will only have to pay attention to them. So it's again a filtered group to which services will be provided. What is the advantage, guys? Why join ESIC as an IMO? Because what are the top perks? You get an attractive salary of up to 1,77,000 plus NP, right? Then that is pension scheme. Job security, government post with pension and medical benefits. What is the growth? You have promotions, training and public health exposure. Nationwide posting is done. So you have an opportunity to work across India. There's a great work-life balance. You have regular hours and minimal emergencies. It's more or less like a corporate job, which is 9 to 5. But it's actually a government job, so you don't have the you don't have the last time emergencies like doctors. Vacancy details, so total tentative, we are under the information, we are under the impression that there will be 608 total vacancies. Category distribution can be done in unreserved SC, ST, OBC and PW candidates, but it will be there, and the age limit will be 35 for general category. There will be a relaxation for the reserved categories, definitely. It depends upon what it will be according to the notification, and eligibility must be listed in CMSE disclosure list. Okay. Then what is your educational qualification required? Simple, MBBS degree, completed compulsory internship. You must be registered with MCI or State Council. Age limit should not exceed beyond 35 years. Age relaxation will be there for the categories. Nationality, Indian citizen or eligible foreign national as per the government norms. What are the important dates of tentative? So your applications will start, which is yet to be announced. Application ending will be announced. So to keep checking this, visit www.esic.gov.in for the updates or for the recent updates. Now, what is the selection process, guys? As you all can see, step 1 is merit list preparation. So whatever marks you get in the written exam of CMSE, or merit list will be prepared. The candidates will be shortlisted by the UPSC result. Step 2 will be state preferences. So you have to choose up to 10 states for posting. Final posting will be done based on availability and merit, and then is the final appointment wherein document verification, medical fitness, and your posting will be done pan-India level or anywhere in India. Talking about the pay scale, which we've already talked about, it's up to 1,77,500. Perks, you get DA, you get HRA, you get pension, gratuity, paid leave and medical coverage, and training and promotional scheme. How do you apply for this? Simple step-by-step process. Visit www.esic.gov.in. You have to open recruitment, move to IMO Grade 2 2026, click on online apply, enter the details, upload the documents, pay the fees, review and submit, and you have to print the confirmation page. Then they will release the admit card and the exam. What are the documents required? Very simple, as in the other government jobs. Passport size photo, signature, MBBS degree and internship, registration certificate, CMSE mark sheet, caste PWD certificate, and any other supporting document if it is required. Now let's talk about the tips for aspirants. Guys, ensure your name appears in CMSE list. Prepare all original documents beforehand. Double check the entries before final submission. Choose state preferences accordingly and follow official ESIC website, and please avoid any fake data. Now, those people who are not interested in the government jobs, who want to practice abroad, Academically is a one-stop solution for you. You can go ahead on our website, scan this particular QR code, and you can move on to the AMC clinical exam, AMC exam preparation, or the Gulf countries, Dubai, HUD, MOH exam preparation. You can click on preview and you can visit our website. So that's it for this particular video. Please prepare for UPSC CMS. Please prepare for ESIC. Be aware, spread this video as much as you can so that your medical groups or the medical peers can see this all. And please like, share and subscribe our channel. Comment down if you have anything to ask. We'll come up with one more video very soon once the vacancy begins. Till then, keep studying, keep practicing, doctors.